There is a way to save your mobile data on TikTok. Just follow this video to the end and you will learn how to enable data saver mode. First, let's quickly check if TikTok is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find TikTok. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to TikTok. At the bottom right corner, click on the account icon. The profile page will open up. Here at the top right corner, click on these three lines. At the bottom, you can see the pop-up window. Click on Settings and Privacy. Here you can see a list of options. Scroll down and at the section Cache and Cellular, click on the Data Saver. To enable Data Saver on your profile, toggle this on. Note that videos will load with a lower resolution or it will take a little bit longer to load. You can come every time you want and toggle this option off. Enjoy! That will be it for this tutorial. Follow us for more content like this. See you in the next video.